Hi, Alex. I wanted to start by saying that I so appreciated your comments throughout the course in the discussions, and you've always had really thoughtful responses and thoughtful things to say, and bringing it to a wider perspective. So your outline did not disappoint because I was, expecting something similar to how the discussions have gone. Um, One of the things that I love is the historical background that you give. So I'm jumping ahead here, but let's start with this first page. Um, I really like I really like your subject matter. I like how you're bringing it in with your primary sources and secondary sources throughout the courses that you've taken, and looking at it from several standpoints. But I also like that you're really bringing it into today's society with the UN discourse and also placing it within a philosophical and historical context as well. So I had a comment here just about how much I liked your roadmap. I think it's a great way to do it. Um, Again, the historical and philosophical context is really helpful. And I really look forward to kind of reading this again as you flesh it out more. I like that you begin with this general overview from a philosophical and historical standpoint and then relate it directly to Soka education and how that plays into it. And then you finish with an applicable way of how it can be related to our current society with something like the UN, for example, and what maybe we could incorporate or uh, take in with this as well. So thank you for sharing, and I look forward to reading the finished project if you choose to share it. Bye.